All right, I'm here. We got a shop visitor today. I'm here with Jackie Taggart, who's our local MLA for, I'm terrible with politics. What's the riding?
Fraser-Nicola.
Fraser-Nicola, which is where Merritt and Lillooet and Boston Barber.
You bet.
Yeah, anyways, the government lady here is coming to check out the truck.
It's pretty interesting, the work that you guys are doing. I had no idea that this production was going on in Merritt. So proud that it's in my riding, and the team you have here is pretty impressive.
Oh, thanks. We're pretty proud for just a couple local truckers and all that able to build this thing.
Well, I think that most of us know that people on the ground are the ones with the knowledge.
Stop ramming this electric down my throat. It's not going to work. I can't work a 3-hour day and feed my family.
That's right.
Well, this one, it's like, okay, it's not fully electric. It still has the diesel, but it's like building a race car or something like that. You change one variable at a time. We don't need to hop right to hydrogen or full battery if it's not there. The diesel works.
Yeah.
Like, do you want to leave all the trucks running a 15-liter diesel 100% of the time? This runs a 9-liter diesel 50% of the time. It's already more, and this has over 1,000 horsepower, and a normal truck has 500, 600. So you're double the power.
Tell me about your show.
Yeah, we're going to be at the Fully Charged show September 8th, 9th, and 10th. It's the largest electric vehicle show in Canada, and they're going to be showing off us as the BC electric vehicle innovation. So we're going to be showing our electric truck in Vancouver.
Fantastic.
We can't wait to see the look on people's faces when they walk into the...
You
because
bet.
they're going to be really environmental driven people.
Absolutely.
And seeing a logging truck in there, are just, it'll blow some people's minds for sure.
That's for sure.
Fun. It's kind of cool because I like it personally because it really shows like what the logging industry in BC is kind of doing for that thing.
Yes. And recognizing that there's all kinds of aspects to the work you do. And the innovation is unbelievable. Yeah?
And it took a bunch of loggers to do it.
Yeah.
Like
People who actually work on the ground and understand the industry.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's the best. You got a pretty impressive production here, and
it's honestly because of these guys. We got a really, really good crew here. It's these guys here that have been. I'm just a truck driver.
Hey, I think you're much more than a truck driver, and you know, to see the innovation, and sometimes the forest industry is painted as sort of the Neanderthals, and you know, out there just chopping down trees. This shows that everybody cares about the environment, and the work you guys are doing is incredible.
Thanks. I mean, yeah, this is what a bunch of loggers happen when everybody underestimates what loggers and mechanics and truckers can do, and this is kind of showing us that, like, hey, look at what a bunch of loggers in BC did. The loggers in BC literally made their own electric truck,
and that is incredible for the province, and particularly for Merritt, that it's right here in Merritt that this is happening.
Oh, hey, thanks for coming to visit the truck.
And thanks for welcoming me. I can't wait to hear how the show goes.
Okay, so today, Finning is here. They're hooking up the generator to work with our vehicle controls so that our truck can turn on and off the generator as needed as a standby generator. So want to give a big thanks to them for coming out here, programming everything to work with us. It's been awesome. Can't wait. Our fire extinguishers, one on either side, ready to go.
Yeah, we got fire extinguisher people.
Yep.
We got a kill switch person.
Yep.
Can you hold, please?
Holding now.
How do you feel?
What?
Well, raise your camera up.
Sorry.
I'm feeling pretty good about this, guys.
That's only a limit or a demand.
I don't know how to film.
Oh, you're doing great. Just keep pointing at the freaking tires.
Not with that big glue in the way.
Okay, I'm gonna be in the shot too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the pipes.
Wait, hold it still. We'll try and get a thumbnb.
And I'm offsetting it by 3,200, but what he was using 3,000.
I figured that's good to get like a
Oh,
still
it's
frame.
great.
Yeah.
I mean, like maybe.
I can't contain my excitement. Okay, so guys, we're just about to test these axle out.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, they actually spin for the first time. Yeah, so funny enough, Chace isn't here tonight, so it's guaranteed to work.
Wait, tell him what happened last night.
Yeah, so he came back from something, whatever, and we actually ended up getting the air compressor working for the first time. So who knows? He might be walking up the driveway as we speak. Tell us what's happening.
We're waiting fast.
That's what we're doing. Waiting fast.
Fuck you, Dan.
We're hopefully airing up the truck, and we've adjusted the code a bit, and we're following the manufacturer's specification on steps to start, and we'll see what happens.
Darren's getting everything, and I don't care.
Stop filming. I want to.
Guys, it's like we're on mission control.
Okay. Are you ready?
Brake pedal
Yep.
100.
Okay. Who's holding the button? Hold the button.
+1.
I'm turning.
IPU
Dennis
enable.
Keaton.
It's off. All right.
That's Steve's
You're holding.
Starts pawing random buttons.
She's probably a good luck Owen, guys. Yeah.
If you guys can't make this work, I will.
No, down.
Okay, we got the professional firefighter ready to go.
Battery going on. I heard it. Okay. Nothing?
0 volts.
Okay. Pre-charge starting now. Okay. Is that working?
Yep. IPU 555.
555.
Okay, main contactor going on.
559.
Okay.
IPU 560.
You can pre-charge complete. I heard something.
Heard something.
Heard
Okay.
something.
Okay.
Something moved.
So
Yeah.
now do IPU enable.
No faults yet.
Okay. Take the brakes off.
Brakes off.
Brakes off.
0, 0.
Okay, and IPU enable.
Okay. Watch out, hands away
Yeah,
from
yeah,
the wheels.
yeah. It might spin like shit.
Okay.
Okay.
Now do a torque request.
As low a number as you can do. Super low.
10,
We don't need anything here.
20, 30.
There's zero load.
He did 40.
Okay, 40 here. This was 1500.
What's the air looking like?
This was 2.
Then 80.
80? Okay.
Okay, so right.
Well, we're
Okay.
testing the axles again.
So
This is really
power
exciting
limits.
stuff.
Nope. Don't worry
Stand
about
by
that.
for more action.
Steve, pre-charge.
Pre-charge. Pre-charge going on now.
Firing.
Good.
555.
556 here.
Okay.
559.
560.
Okay.
Drive gear and
1, 1.
send it.
Send it. Now set the
Break
limit.
off.
There's a click.
Heard a click.
No limits off. Break
Second
off.
break.
0,
Second click.
0. And IPU enable.
No.
Off. Yeah.
Off.
Off. IPU enable.
IPU enable and now limits. Or yeah. I didn't hear it shift this time. Did you get it?
Yeah, we heard 2 clicks.
I heard it.
Okay.
Yep.
You have
I
faults?
hear the motor.
I do have some shift stuck faults.
Okay.
Oh, you do?
Are you?
I'm still sending. Yeah. Okay, so I'll set these power limits. Okay, what for power limit? 50? 20?
Yep.
20.
20. Torque limit.
I can hear it.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Hear what? What do you hear?
The motor.
The power.
The whine of it.
What's the control mode? Oh, control mode 2 for torque. Yeah.
Oh,
Good job, guys. Great job.
Right here.
Michael! Holy shit!
Oh, yeah,